Yo, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to episode 5 of our trade recap series. I'll make this episode quite quick today because I was on the charts quite for less time today than usual, but we still happened to get a banger of a trade here today. So today what we did was we essentially just marked out our liquidity levels on all the higher time frames as typical, marked out our zones on 30-minute, 15-minute, whatever was really apparent, and we got some great trades here on NQ during the morning session. So let me explain what was the trade that we took. So the trade we took was based off of V2B. We broke our V2 levels and also our liquidity analysis on Bookmap as well. Additionally, it was also a zone play because of this 15-minute zone, which has been edged by these wicks a few times. So market opened, we pushed up, went down. At 9 a.m. we got some news, pushed the market down, gave this crazy wick, which is okay. Then we started continuing to coming down and make these higher lows on NQ. Knowing that market was making higher lows inside this zone was essential to understand the overall market sentiment in this zone area. Same thing was happening in ES, but on ES it looked a lot cleaner and a lot bullish. As you can see here, these bullish candles were a lot more bullish indicators than compared to this choppy action here in NQ over here. But we did happen to transfer this expansion to NQ and capitalize on it as well. Essentially, we marked out our V2 levels, we saw a break, we came down, and we saw this big wick. We're still waiting for confirmation there because there's not enough. But our confirmation came when we saw this big wick move up. We looked on Bookmap. What was there on Bookmap? Lots of liquidity here at this level. Additionally, lots of liquidity here at this level as well. But this is definitely going to be our first GP. And we entered the trade around this time. We're just choppy, and then over here, look how many iceberg orders there are at this level as well. This level is a very key level for price to go, and that was pretty simple. We marked the Bookmap liquidity level on ES as well. We saw our expansion happen like literally 2 minutes after we entered the trade. We pushed above our Bookmap liquidity level, we took profits there and hit a nice 2.05 risk to reward. Initially, our stop loss was around there because we wanted to allow enough space for the market to move. I think we kept it there actually. Yeah, right there. Because if we went under this, that would invalidate our trade. But this would still provide us a 1.66 risk to reward, which is pretty great if I would say so myself. This shows that liquidity analysis, especially on Bookmap, can truly show the importance of the market, and I want to emphasize that as well. Looking on Financial Juice, we also see that we had this University of Michigan stuff today, and that was what made an impact. We also had other news in Forex Factory, which made a large impact as well. That's basically all I can say here for today, because I honestly got on the market quite a bit late because I was up late yesterday night and I woke up late and got on the markets late. Something better I could do was wake up earlier and watch this whole thing come to action so I understand the overall price action for the day. But we did happen to catch this very nice trade on NQ. We took one trade and we're out because after that all we saw was movement upwards. And there's no way we can get in other than this area around 10-15, but we were not at home during that time. We just took off the charts after this level because we were very tired, and you don't want to trade too much when your mental is not at peak performance. It is important to understand that as well. Thank you so much for hearing episode 5 of our trade recap series. I want to emphasize you guys to join the Discord once again. The link will be in the description. We have analysis, updates, and even opportunities for you to participate in some challenges in which we will be going for. I highly encourage you to join, and thank you so much. I'll see you guys on Monday for episode 6.